These are the welders who are here to start with the demolition exercise. The one up there, they're doing it manually while they were waiting for those who are to use the electrical gadget. We have engaged another machine from Accra to do the work, the breaking of the pillars. So now he has started work. The manual work couldn't work because it will take us a long time before finishing. So this house work.
God, this is one side of the demolition work. As we can see, the whole structure has been demolished, including the old pillars. This is the other side of the building. The old structure has been demolished. This is the front view, the southern part of the building. The northern side of the building, where we have the pulpit, has been demolished. And this is a place between the children's service and the auditorium. So this place too has been taken off.